Na-experience mo na bang sumakay ng Crystal Cave dito sa may Tungchong papunta ng Ngomping 360? So ano pang hinihintay mo? Silipin ang aking video at ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat ng ating makikita dito sa ating paglalakbay.
Not very nice.
After nating mamasyal ng Dapik, dito naman tayo sa loob ng MTR, maglalamenda at pupunta tayo ngayon ng Tungchong Cable Car. Doon tayo sasakay ng Crystal Cave papunta ng Ngomping 360. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Abangan nyo yung upload ko dahil bobonggahan natin yung pagsakay natin ng Crystal Cave mamaya at medyo may kamahalan po yung ating ticket. So, thank you po sa aking sponsor at sa aking mga tour guide for today dahil sinama po nila ako sa kanilang mga itinerary at lahat po ng lakad nila ay lakad ko rin. So, enjoy po natin yung paglalakbay natin at pagtutour natin dito sa Hong Kong dahil ibabahagi ko lahat ang ating mga lalakbayin sa araw na ito. Enjoy po natin yung pamamasyal at happy turista sa Hong Kong. Medyo crowded po ang MTR dito dahil maraming namamasyal. Linggo po ngayon. So, exit po tayo sa B sa Tungchong Station. At doon sa may labasan, medyo gutom na yung mga kasama ko. So, kakain muna tayo. Time for lunch. Nandito kami sa Tungchong. Yan, the burger fries snack corner. Yan, kanya-kanyang order kami. Maraming salamat sa libreng tanghalian. So mamaya lalarga na naman tayo papunta ng cable car. So enjoy po natin yung ating pagkain ngayon. So enjoy po natin yung ating pagkain ngayon dahil pupunta na po tayo mamaya sa Tungchong Cable Car. Pipila po tayo doon. Medyo mahaba po yung pila ngayon dahil linggo. Talagang sobrang ang daming mga turista na dumadayo dito sa Hong Kong. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo lahat ng kaganapan dito dahil nagpila po kami. Ayan po yung mga taon, dami-dami, grabe. So mamaya papakita ko rin sa inyo yung ticket na bibilhin namin at enjoy po natin yung pagsakay dito sa Crystal Cave. Yan, nandito na tayo sa may entrance. Yan, nandito na kami sa cable car. Ate, ikaw muna. Kuya, the code. Eight. Go for it.
whole everything.
Oh, I know. I can imagine. You stand up and take a picture of the cake. Look at how green it is in the bottom. I'm not green. Very green. Gonna see anything. But the browns are green. It's not green.
It's a green.
I don't care if it's green or red. It doesn't matter. I know, me too.
There's a nice forest down there. You're missing half the view.
Auntie, you gotta enjoy life, right? Whether it's your beginning months or your last
Look,
months.
we're so high.
It could be the beginning and it could be the end, you know?
Love it. Don't say that.
But it's okay, we all go together.
Oh, no, don't say that. Not very nice.
We didn't say that.
You know,
Lord, we didn't
just
say
saying.
that. Very good.
As
We're
the
saying- yeah, it's like a Buddha statue or something.
Where is
Yeah,
it gonna
big
be?
Buddhist.
Yeah.
And it's like 216 steps.
Welcome to Ngomping 360. Yan, nandito na po tayo sa Tungchong Cable Car at pupunta na kami sa Big Buddha. Nag-CR sila, so may time tayong kumuha ng mga video dito sa may restaurant. Kumain na kami doon sa Bungad kanina bago kami nag-cable car. Look at that! Lahat ng sasakay ng cable pa uwi. Ang haba na ng pila. Yan, malapit na kami sa Big Buddha. Pero nandito sila, nagsha-shopping sila. So we going to look at there. There they are. Oh, they buy the t-shirt with a cup. Yan, gininaw na si ate. Ang ganda niya, oh. Bumili siya ng bonnet.
Is it the weekend already?
We're all having chest pain. But everybody are doing their marathons and there. All the other thing. I said, oh my God, I don't know how they do it.
How was it?
But we did hike there. Yeah, we finished it.
How was it?
It's hot. It's hot.
Over
We're
100.
sweating. We're going underneath the thing and resting, but we're like hopping. All our chest is like ah. Yeah, and then they told us that we are supposed to settle first in
look at
town
this.
or the elevation before we do the hiking.
Glad you're getting
But we
that.
did
Wow.
hike, yeah.
What is this? It's like the strand.
Probably that's just because the windows are open
Yeah,
at the
that-
back of you guys.
It's beautiful. Look at that.
Look at this bridge here. All the way out to this.
Well, the thing is,
Like awesome.
That's-
That's
it-
the Macau.
it makes sense that it has to stay open.
Is this supposed, you think that's supposed to be Macau?
It's just
That's
Yeah,
going,
yes,
that
it's a ferry.
goes towards Macau.
The ferry that we're going to
Just
do.
going.
see everything is empty
Oh, this
now.
is the where
Yeah.
the ferry
Just
is.
And they said that's a new way to go by bus to Macau. The new one. To go to Macau. If you want to go by bus. That's the newest one. That's what she said.
Oh, the road ends.
Something in my eye.
Same money.
Huh?
Apparently the
Same money
ferry
from
fees
Hong
up.
Kong to Macau.
They said you could use it.
Different money or?
Enjoy po natin ang tanawin dito sa Crystal Cabin dahil 6 o'clock na po kami natapos sa aming paglalakad at pamamasyal doon sa Ngoping 360 at uuwi na rin po kami sa hotel nila. Ihatid ko po sila doon para maging safe naman po yung kanilang pamamasyal. Tumatagal ka po dito sa Hong Kong kung naligaw ka, so kailangan mo talagang may kasamang mamamasyal dito. So dito na lang sa MTR, ang daming pasikot-sikot. So ihatid ko po sa hotel doon po sa may TSD at mamaya uuwi na rin po ako. So maraming salamat po sa panonood ng aking video. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating adventure maghapon. Thank you so much po sa mga turistang dumayo dito sa Hong Kong. At thank you din po dahil ako yung napili nyong tour guide nyo at nag-enjoy talaga ako sa maghapon nating adventure dito sa Hong Kong.